You're trying to lose fat and build muscle? These high-protein garlic butter steak bites with creamy garlic mash are a delicious, quick and easy meal prep with 56 grams of protein that you can store in the fridge and enjoy throughout the week. Dice your lean steak into cubes, then add these seasonings and mix well with your hands till fully coated. Cook the steak on high heat with some cooking spray till crispy and tender on all sides. Then add light butter, fresh garlic and parsley and coat the steak in that garlic butter. Now get 900 grams of potatoes, chop them up and boil in salted water till fork tender. Mash them up till smooth, then add light butter, cream cheese, low-fat milk, garlic paste and more seasonings. Stir the mash till rich and creamy, then just box everything up into 4 equal servings, garnish, and you're ready to enjoy.
The tastiest, high-protein, creamy garlic Alfredo steak and mashed potatoes. Only 570 calories, bursting with so much flavor, easy to make and perfect to meal prep for the week ahead. Slice your steaks into cubes, season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, parsley and olive oil. Mix till well coated, then slice your potatoes into thick chunks like this. Drop in a pot of cold water, then boil for 12 to 14 minutes until fork tender just like this. Let the potatoes steam for 5 minutes before gently mashing till smooth and fluffy. Then add light butter, cream cheese, warm milk and season with salt, pepper and garlic. Then give this a final mix till creamy, soft and fluffy just like this. Next, cook your steak bites in light butter for 2 minutes each side till golden brown and crispy. Lower the heat, add more butter, fresh garlic, chili flakes and parsley. Mix till juicy and delicious, then set the beef aside. In the same pan, add smoked paprika, chili flakes, salt, mustard, lots of garlic and parsley. Mix and cook for 5 minutes till fragrant before adding blended cottage cheese and milk. Stir till completely smooth and creamy. Finally, your high-protein meals are ready to serve and enjoy.
You're trying to build muscle? These high-protein Mexican cheesy beef burritos are a delicious, quick and easy meal prep with 51 grams of protein that you can store in the freezer and reheat in minutes. Add your lean ground beef to a pan with some cooking spray and cook on high heat till about halfway done. Then add some taco seasoning, diced white onion and bell pepper, stir till soft, then add fajita sauce and mix well till it looks just like this. Now for the rice, melt down some light butter, then add washed rice, these seasonings, tomato paste, toast till fragrant, then add chicken stock, bring to a bubble and simmer for 15 minutes till fully cooked. To assemble, on a warm tortilla, add 1/6 of your rice, 1/6 of your beef, low-fat cheese, then fold in the sides, roll it into a burrito and repeat for 6. Toast to seal, store in the freezer and reheat when you're ready to eat.
Love fried chicken but you're trying to lose fat and build muscle? This crispy Korean popcorn chicken and rice has nearly 50 grams of protein for only 500 calories, is so easy to make and perfect for meal prep. To your diced chicken breast, add white pepper, garlic and onion powder, diced garlic, ginger, soy sauce, 1 egg, a tiny bit of black pepper and mix it all together. Then in a bowl add potato starch, coat every piece of chicken evenly, spray them generously with light cooking oil spray and air fry or oven bake with the settings on screen until golden brown and crispy. Now for the Korean glaze, to a pan on low heat add equal parts soy sauce and water, add some chili paste, natural sweetener, more garlic, ginger, a drizzle of honey with some white vinegar and corn flour mixed with water to help it thicken. Mix it together, and once the sauce is nice and sweet and thick like you, add the chicken back in and mix it well to coat it completely. Now divide it into 4 equal servings with white rice or your choice of sides and toppings and enjoy.
High protein meal prep, sticky honey lemon chicken. Click for your chick. Season with garlic, cumin, oregano, lemon juice and olive oil. Mix together and cook on the pan for 10 minutes on high heat until sizzling. Then add light butter, garlic, oregano, lemon juice, soy sauce, honey and your cooked chicken. Stir together and let it simmer on medium heat. And add parsley to make it look as pretty as you. Meanwhile, cook your rice and you're set for the week. This is sweet, sticky and full of flavour, so enjoy and follow for more.